Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of M sound. M is the 13th letter of the alphabet. It makes the sound, just like in mango. Place your lips together and say with a soft hum. Word recognition. Let's learn some exciting words that start with M. M for mango, a sweet and juicy fruit. M for mobile, a phone we use to talk and play. M for mug, a cup we use for tea or milk. M for mosque, a special place for prayer. Can you think of more words that start with M? Writing practice. Let's trace and write M and M. Follow the dotted lines carefully and practice both uppercase M and lowercase m. Say every time you write it. Activity, beginning sound recognition. Look at these pictures. What sound do they start with? Write the first letter, M. Motorcycle. Write M. Mouse. Write M. Mirror. Write M. Milk. Write M. Melon. Write M. Great job! You're learning fast. More vocabulary. Here are some more words that begin with M. New words. Motorcycle, a two-wheeled vehicle. Mug, a big cup for tea or coffee. Mirror, a glass that shows your reflection. Melon, a round, juicy fruit. Map, a drawing that shows places and directions. Milk, a healthy drink that makes us strong. Man, a grown-up boy. Moon, the bright shape in the night sky. Wow, you did an amazing job learning the letter M. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know all the letters. Next time we'll explore another exciting letter. See you soon!